How ko right now, guys, is a very cute na Ugreen na Echo Buds Magic. And what's so magical about itong buds na ito? Kita nyo may display and the buds is oh so cool. Liit niya, guys, so. And it looks really nice, very elegant. Been wearing this for 2 weeks na rin dito sa aking tenga. Tinry ko to kasama ko pag-workout, kasama ko while playing games, and kasama ko rin to while I'm watching YouTube video or Spotify. So far, so good naman. Maganda ka ng ANC. And what's nice dito sa kanya is pwede mong i-control lahat dito sa buds, no? Dito sa kanyang case. No? Maganda ka na display, honestly. And what's nice naman dito sa kanya is once na naka-paired ka and you have the Ugreen na app, no? Yan, magagawa mo lahat. Makokontrol mo siya dito, no? Everything from gaming to ANC, control your music, lahat pwede mo magawa dito, di ba? And definitely it's going to be one of your favorite go-to na buds, no? Magiging favorite mo talaga to kasi naging favorite ko rin to. And you can even use it as a camera shutter button once na naka-connect. Hindi ko kinonnect muna kasi gamit ko right now yung phone. So once na nag-connect, baka masira ang recording ko right now kasi naka-connect sa aking main phone. No? So if you want one of these, si Ugreen na Echo Buds Magic, ganito itsura ka ng box. Guys, click the yellow basket. Sulit to.